In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount to an invoice in FreshBooks. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, go to the navigation menu and select Invoices. This is where you can manage existing invoices and create new ones, so it's the right place to begin if you want to apply a discount properly. Next, open the invoice you want to edit, or create a new invoice if you're starting from scratch. If you're creating a new one, make sure to select the correct client for the invoice before moving on. Choosing the right client first helps ensure the billing details are attached to the right account and keeps your records accurate. After that, add the invoice items. Enter the products or services you want to bill, along with the correct quantities, rates, or descriptions as needed. Take a moment here to make sure everything is entered correctly, because the discount will be based on the invoice content that's already been added. Once your line items are in place, review the subtotal. This is an important step because the subtotal gives you the base amount before any discount is applied. If anything looks off at this stage, it's best to correct it now before adding the discount. When the subtotal looks correct, move down to the total section below the subtotal and click Add a Discount. FreshBooks will then give you a field where you can enter the discount value. Type in the amount you want to apply. Next, choose the discount type. You'll usually have the option to apply the discount as a percentage of the invoice subtotal or as a fixed amount. A percentage discount is useful when you want to reduce the invoice by a certain rate, while a fixed amount works better when you already know the exact dollar value you want to subtract. After entering the value and selecting the discount type, click Add Discount to apply it. FreshBooks will automatically update the invoice total for you. Now, review the updated total carefully. Make sure the discount has been applied the way you intended and that the final amount matches what you want the client to pay. This quick check can help prevent mistakes before the invoice is finalized. Finally, click Save to keep the discount on the invoice. Saving your changes ensures the adjusted total is stored correctly and ready for the next step in your billing process. And that's how to add a discount to an invoice in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching.